how to fix WhatsApp voice message in less than 50 seconds. Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix any problem you have with the voice message. This video is going to help you a lot, so just keep watching until the end. So first step you have to do is just open the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode like this. Go back, click on the apps like this, and then go to apps. Scroll until you find WhatsApp. Between all the apps that you have on your phone, click on WhatsApp like this. Click here on the force stop option and then go back to the settings on your phone, and this time go to the wireless and networks and disable the airplane mode like this. And now reopen WhatsApp and the problem is gonna be fixed 100%. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the very end. See you later.